Today I'm going to be showing you how to plant a tree. So I have here a sweet chestnut. It's one of over 20 different species we're planting in this area. We're planting so many because we want to build a strong and resilient woodland. So planting trees is easy, but it's very easy to plant trees wrong. So when you found a place to plant, you've got to think about the depth you're going to plant it. You don't want to plant it this deep because this whole area of the stem is going to rot. You don't want to plant it this deep because all these roots up here are going to dry out. The tree's not going to grow. So you want the soil to be exactly level. So I'm going to be pit planting. It's one of a few different methods. I think this is the easiest one to get right. So I'm just going to dig a little hole, not too deep. And then you can test how deep the hole is with your tree. So that's about level with the top. So I'm just going to pack this soil in, and if you can, it's best to get the soil back in the same order that you took it out. Then you need to heel the tree in, which means using the heel of your boot, you're just going to go around, making sure that's nice and solid, but also being careful not to scrape the side of the tree. So now we've planted the tree, we want to protect it. So I'm going to start by getting a stake in the ground. You don't want to get the stake right up against the tree because you go through the roots. You want to get about that distance away and then just whack that one in. Then you're going to add your tube. So this tube is made from resin and recycled wood residue. So this will stop the deers from eating the tree, and also acts as a kind of greenhouse for the tree. It creates a warm microclimate, helps it to grow. So when you get the tube on, just be careful not to scrape the side of the tree. Put these ones up. And there, you've planted a tree and you protected it. So in about 3 to 4 years, this sweet chestnut will be poking out the top. And then in about 25 years, this could be 30 meters tall. So sweet chestnut can live up to around 700 years. So we'll see what happens with this one.